E-commerce store owners can now use photos from their e-commerce listings to create videos. So let's take, for example, Revolve.com. Their best-selling dress only has 3 images, no video. So I'm going to right-click and download these 3 images. Then I'll take those images over to Google Flow. I will select Ingredients to Video, upload those 3 product shots, select VO31 Fast, Landscape, Output 1 Video. Then I will paste my custom prompt for creating that product page video for my e-commerce store. And here's what the final product listing video looks like. Taking those ingredients, those original photos, I've created a video which I can now use on social media, add to the product listing, and so on. So we can do this for your e-commerce fashion brand. Just simply contact us at 1bvp.com. And no matter if you're posting 1, 10, or 1,000 products every month, we can take your image files and create these videos using AI.